How to enable Klarna Payments on Shopify. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Shopify and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Tap on your profile at the top left corner. And then at the bottom, tap on Settings. Inside Settings over here, you'll find the option of Payments. Head over to it. It will redirect you to this page. Different three options will be visible to you, but all you have to do is tap on the second one, Add Payment Methods. Over here in the search bar, you need to search for Klarna. And if it is available, you need to tap on it. Well, different providers will be available to you. You can activate through any one of it. Let me tap on Ping Pong Checkout. You will need to enter your Klarna details. And once you click on Connect, the Klarna payment method will be available in your Shopify, and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to enable Klarna payment method on Shopify. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.